Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download Google Chrome in your Windows. If you just bought your laptop or PC and you want to download Google Chrome in it, what you need to do, you need to go on search option, here search Edge. Microsoft Edge is already pre-installed in your Windows. You need to click on it and here you need to search Chrome. Chrome APK download. And here you need to find Google Support app. Don't download anything from these websites. Go to Google Support here, click on it. After clicking on it, you will see this page. Here on the top right corner, you can see Google Chrome. Click on it, and here you can see the browser build to be safe and download Chrome. And it will be downloading the setup of Chrome. Click on the setup after it's downloaded, and then this thing will show up. And let it download and wait for a few seconds. After the download and installation is completed, you will see this page. Here you need to go on sign in, or you can skip this thing by clicking on don't sign in, and here you can set your default browser as Chrome, or you can skip this as well. And there you go, Chrome is added to your Windows and it will automatically be shown in your desktop. Thanks, have a nice day.